Magandang buhay. Okay, so, dahil sa masama yung panahon, kailangan kong i-video yung aking lessons for this afternoon. Okay? Kumusta kayo? Magandang buhay, mga anak. Okay, so we are now on the week 3. So, for our lesson, traditional and new media. Okay? Okay. So, for our lesson for this afternoon, we have the evolution of media from traditional to new media shape the values and norms of people and society. So for this topic, we have 4 H's to tackle. So first is the pre-industrial age. So this age was before 1700. People lives in cave. No? People discovered fire, developed paper from plants, and forged weapon and tools with stone, bronze, copper, and iron. Okay? So, what is the evidence na nagkaroon ng mga tao before 1700s? So, sa mga caves, there was a paintings, numerous of paintings and engravings found on cave walls or ceiling around 38,000 BC. Okay? So our source is the Encyclopedia Britannica. And then we have also clay tablets. These are used as a writing medium, especially for writing a cuneiform. So what is cuneiform? It is one of the oldest form of writing. This means of communication was used for over 3,000 years in 15 different languages. So sa wall sila nagsusulat, no? Ipag-communicate. And then we have also papyrus. It is made from fruit of papyrus plant, and it is used in ancient times as writing surface to designate documents written on each sheets, rolled up to scrolls. So a good example are the law, no? The new law of the king, no? Mga kings kapag sumusunod sila ng batas. So it is written on a sheet and it is rolled up to scrolls. Okay? Gaya ng mga nakikita natin sa mga movies. So other examples, we have Acta Diurna in Rome, 130 BC. We have Divao in China, 2nd century. Codex in the Mayan region, and printing press using wood blocks. Okay, so those are the example for the pre-industrial age. Another age is the industrial age. It is between 1700s and 1930s. People use the power of steam. Okay? Pag sinabing steam, kapag nagluluto ka, yun yung usok na lumalabas on the ano, no? And then it developed machine tools, established iron production, and the manufacturing of various products, including books. So, for our example, na nandyan sa inyong mga screen, printing press for mass production, 19th century. So, a printing press is typically used for text. It is advised that applies pressure to an ink surface resting upon print medium like paper or cloth. Okay? So, nakapag-produce sila ng mga books before because of this printing press. And then we have telegraph. It is used for long-distance communication. It transmits electrical signals over a wire laid between stations. So, before, there are train stations. So, ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga staff, no, for them to communicate. And for the movies or commercials, we have the motion picture, also known as film or movie, and it is a series of still photos or on film projected in rapid succession onto screen by means of light. Yan, no? Black and white pa lang noon. So other example for industrial age, we have newspaper, typewriter, no? Typewriter still ano no available until this time. Telephone, so it was ano no invented 1876. Motion picture photography, commercial motion pictures with sounds, and the punch cards. Okay, so if you are familiar with the punch cards, no, before we're using these punch cards for us to time in, no, so that our ano no yung schedule namin is ma-recognize. And then another age is electronic age. It is between 1930s to 1980s. The invention of the transistor ushered in the electronic age. People harnessed the power of transistors that led to the transistors radio, electronic circuits, and the early computers. So in this example, you can see a radio, no? And then large electronic computers and mainframe computers. So big computers in a room, no, is used for the business, no. And then we have also television in 1941, and then personal computers. So HP, okay, in 1968. So ang unang naglabas ng mga computers is HP, and then it follows Mac or Macintosh, Apple, 1976. OHP or overhead projectors and LCD projectors are also ano no, during the time the electronic age. And then for the last age, the information age, 1900 no, to 2000s, so including our present situation, no, our present age. The internet paved the way for faster communication and the creation of the local social network. So, ang daming mga applications, ang daming mga gadgets and brands, no, na lumabas, okay? So, other examples are, okay, so we have Internet Explorer 1995, social network Friendster if you are a big if you are familiar with this, and Facebook, it was ano no in 2004. It was introduced in 2004. And then we have also Twitter 2006, okay? So YouTube, no, kung kayo ay blogger, 2005 nag-start ang YouTube, no? And then for the others, laptops in 1980, netbooks in 2008, tablets in 1993. Okay? So for your activities, what will you going to to do is yung mga activities lang na i-mention ko. Okay? So crossword puzzle is included. Okay? You'll be going to do the crossword puzzle, and also the picture analysis, this one, and also the media at 4Hs. Okay, so these three columns included yan. So tatlong activities for this week only. Okay, so if you do have question, you can ask me no upon um, upon watching this video. Okay? If you do have questions, private message me, no? Kahit masama yung panahon, I took this video para sa inyo, no? Okay? O sige. For now, God bless you. Good day. Take care of yourself. Okay?